So you are our current KHS Fellow, and tell us a little bit about the project you're working on.
Sure. So I work on disability in revolutionary and early national America, so from about 1775 to 1840. And at KHS and KDLA, I've been looking at a collection of lunacy and idiocy writs. And that's what they were called during the period. And these writs launched inquisitions to place people who were deemed to be cognitively impaired under guardianship. Guardianships were designed to be protectorships, but the people who were placed under guardianship often lost a lot of their legal rights. So they couldn't sue, they couldn't buy or sell property, they couldn't vote or marry. They're really fascinating to me because they get to the heart of what's at my current research project. Who has the authority to determine who in fact is disabled?
Thinking about your project and the impact that it has on many conversations that are going on nationally today, what are some of the things that you have found, and where are you hoping to take your project moving forward?
So I'm really focused on this kind of early American, early national period, but there's so many connections to the current day, right? So guardianship is still something that people are placed under, but other parts of my projects, for example, invalid pensions. I look at how veterans' pensions today. There's so many comparisons. I do a lot with welfare, and there's a lot of similar conversations about disability that is going on in early America and also really resonates today. So the connections are almost uncanny in some points.
So KHS recently received a grant from the Institute for Museum and Library Services to study our own diversity and inclusion. We also hope to take that out to local history organizations around the state. So why do you think that museums and local history organizations should involve disability history in their programming?
So disability is a really essential part of diversity, and I think what it means to promote and foster diversity. According to the U.S. Census, about 1 in 5 people today are disabled, and that's they define it as a major sensory, cognitive, ambulatory, or self-care impediment. If we take that criteria and apply it to early America, the period that I study, only more people would fit under that category, right? You think of the many damaging epidemics, limited capabilities of healing and medical practitioners. So we're really talking about a large section of the population. And so it's really essential, I think, for disability to be included as part of the work of historic sites and museums. This is a really significant component of American history that has largely been overlooked. And I think that it's also incredibly relevant when thinking about American politics, American society, the economy, and the identity of many people today. So it's really exciting to hear these new initiatives.
And we've certainly enjoyed having you here. What's been the best experience that you've had while at KHS?
Oh my gosh, it's been so wonderful. And also, I just had this presentation where I had all these people come and listen to me present about my work, and I got these fantastic questions and comments. And so it's really exciting to kind of feel that energy and to really get the intellectual stimulation in that context. So thanks a lot.
If history is important to you, please like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share with your family and friends.